activity on a circle. Okay, beta. You all very known that. What about the shape is this? Circle. Now let's define the circle. What is the circle? So I have taken the so many points in the circle. First of all, tell me how many points we can take on the circle. कितने points ले सकते हैं बेटा? Infinite. Okay. So when you take the infinite point on the circle, these points having the same distance. You can check the distance. I have taken the infinite points on the circle, and this is the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. So these are the points on the circle. I point this with the pins. Okay, beta, like this, I have taken the points on the circle. The boundary. This boundary of the circle is called the circumference. This boundary of the circle is called the circumference. Okay. So I have taken the points on the circle. When you measure the distance of this point from the center, this distance is equal. The distance is equal. Okay. So let's start the terms related with the circle or the definition of the circle. Okay, beta. So this is the circle. You have seen that the circle is the collection of points. Collection of the points. And all these points having the same distance. Having the same distance from this fixed point. From this fixed point. This is our fixed point. This is our fixed point. Okay. And this fixed point is called the center. This fixed point is called the center. Okay. So when you take the distance from the center, this distance are equal. These distance are equal. And this all distance that is from the center na, this all distance is called the radius. This is called the radius. This is the radius of the circle. This is the radius of the circle. Okay, beta. So we have discussed the two things. One is the collection of the point from the fixed point at the fixed distance is called the circle. The fixed point is called the center and the fixed distance is called the radius. Now come to the parts of the circle. Parts of the circle. In a circle we have the three parts. How many parts? Three parts. One is that is the interior of the circle. Second is that is the exterior of the circle, and one is that is on the circle. On the circle. The center is always in the interior of the circle. The center is always in the interior of the circle. Okay. Suppose I have taken a point that is here. This point is outside the circle. That is the exterior. This part is the exterior. This part is the interior. And this point that is on the circle. On the circle. So in the circle we have total three parts. Okay. Now come to the next term that is related with the chord. That is related with the chord. Suppose these are the 2 points. I have taken the 2 points. You can take any of the 2 points on the circle. Okay. So I have taken these 2 points on the circle. Let's join these 2 points. Okay, beta. Join the 2 points on the circle. You can take any of the 2 points. Okay. Suppose I join these 2 points. So when you join the 2 points on the circle, this become the chord. This become the chord. Okay, beta. So the chord are taken by with the 2 points. You can join these 2 points. You can join these 2 points. After joining all the points, taken only the 2 points at a time. I repeat. Okay, beta. You have to take only 2 points. So when you join the 2 points on the circle, this become the chord. Become the chord. But when this chord is goes from the center, goes from the center. Okay, like this. I have taken the chord goes from the center. That is joining the 2 points now. So this chord is called the diameter. This chord is called the diameter. So what you observe? That is the diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is the longest chord. Okay. When you join the 2 points on the circle, this becomes the chord. And when you join the 2 points on the circle, and this line is goes from the center na, that line is called the diameter. That line is called the diameter. So the chord that is the longest chord is called the diameter. Okay. Now the chord divides the circle in the 2 segments. In the 2 segments. This is the segment of the circle. This is the segment of the circle. Complete part. This one, the complete part is the segment of the circle. Okay. Chord divide the circle in the 2 segments. In the 2 segments. The one is called the minor segment. And this one is called the major segment. This is called the major segment. Okay, beta. Now come to the next part, that is you can take the piece of circle. This is the part of circle na, you can take the piece of circle. This is the piece of circle, you take only this part, okay? So this become the arc, this become the arc. If you take only this part of the circle, this is the arc, this is the arc. So arc is the piece of circle and segment is a part of circle. When you divide the circle in the two parts, it become the segment, become the segment. And when you take the complete circle, that is the piece of circle, piece of circle, the piece between 2 points, piece between 2 points, that is called the arc, that is called the arc. You can take like as the minor arc, or you can take by joining the 6 or 7 points, this become the major arc, this become the major arc. So when you join the 2 points on the circle, by not the line but with the arc, with the arc. So one is the minor arc and second one is the major arc. And this is our segment, this is our segment. So we have taken the 4 and 5 terms related with the circle. First one is the definition of circle, second one is its radius, third one is its diameter, fourth one is its chord and the segment, and the next one is the arc. Okay beta?